against the bill. Before my time starts, I'd like to answer a question. Representative Johnson asked whether or not it was a voluntary to go to the business court. It is not. If you will look, first of all, I would say, Mr. Chairman, that it concerns me that there's a bill this late in the session that's a non-council draft, which may be a reason for some of the issues that I have concerns with. But if you'll turn over to page 9, section 24A.052, this is where a party may file a claim in the business court. All right? And then B, below that, is that any party may remove a claim to the business court. So you can be drugged yelling and screaming to the business court without your will and acquiescence. Also, either party may file in the business court, which if you have a business dispute, can certainly create a race to the courthouse to try to get a leg up to file in the business court first, because the jurisdiction is so broad that it is all or part of a cause of action has jurisdiction in the business court. You can get it all in there. Now, there is a way for the part of the case to be severed out, and now you got a case, one in a venue in a regular district court, and then part of it in a business court. That is certainly not good for efficiency. Also, I have a question. Why under B 540, let's see, 24A.052 C on the removal of a case to the business court is not subject to the statute of rules governing the due order of pleading. I haven't thought all the way through that, but I don't know why we would get rid of the due order of pleading rule specifically for cases that want to be removed to the business court. Haven't thought it through, so maybe somebody can tell me why that is, but I just think that's kind of weird. Also, the judges are assigned on a rotating basis. So if there's 7 judges, they're assigned on a rotating basis. Do I get to know who the next judge up is? Because that might have a big determination of whether or not I want to file there or whether I want to remove there.
You don't have a choice now on which judge you get. I mean, if you're filing in Dallas County, you don't get to pick the court.
Correct. But it doesn't say in here whether or not, it just says on a rotating basis. It doesn't say if you know whether or not that's public, if you know who that next person is. It also says that on 24A.055 C2, not more than a majority of the judges associated with the same political party. Okay, so there's 7 judges, not more than a majority. What does that mean? Does that mean 4 or 6? If you mean 4, put 4. You know, because to me, 6 is more than a majority. Not more than a majority is 4, 5, 6, as long as it's not 100%. So if you want 4, put 4. And then I also have a concern in the bill. There's a provision that one of the people could have never practiced law outside of an academic institution, because it says you qualify to be a judge if you served 10 years as a business professor. What does that mean? How does that person know what the inside of a courtroom looks like except talking about it?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Craig. All good thoughts. I'm up here taking good notes. Thank you. Members, any questions? Yeah, right.
Yeah, other than that I like you and the bill.
All right. Thank you, Craig.